Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing the Chulux coffee maker, which is amazing. You can purchase on Amazon, so stay tuned for
Okay, not really much to it. I ordered it on Amazon about a month ago, and I guess it's through here. You can check them out. Okay, which is awesome. And I love throwing away boxes of things, so this came in handy. So we're plugged in. Next step, very simple to use. It has a simple little knob, either lock or unlock. Right now we will unlock. It pops up, as you can see. In here is the membrane of this maker. So I bought my little Aldi K-Cups. We got that baby in there. And FYI, it's recommended, they recommend for you to run the water through the machine before you actually use it. So run it one good time, obviously minus the K-Cup, and you should be good to go. Good to go. So unfortunately, I missed that information and ended up using it however anyway, and it's fine, but I would recommend doing that every couple of months to kind of clean it out, you know. So as far as water, you cannot have more than 12 ounces. Me personally, I just fill up my mug, my preferred mug, give a little space for creamer, and just pour it in. Ooh, it gets a little messy. Boom. Place mug below. Hear that pop? Lock it in, and we hit that button. And so I guess when it's flashing blue like that, it's telling you that it's working and it's warming up. Honestly, it's one of the better investments of 2021 for me. Doesn't take up a lot of space, easily put it in a corner. It's no hassle, no mess. And I usually drink espresso, but this is what I like to call, I drink espresso because I'm Cuban, so I've been drinking that since I was like 6. But you know, this I like to consider my lazy coffee because it's so easy. You know, sometimes you don't want to go on the whole espresso mission, and that's fine. And for days like that, which are pretty often, I have this. So I'm just gonna keep recording so you guys can see more or less how long it takes from when I hit the button to where it actually starts coming out. Should be any second. Wait for it. Okay, it's taking a bit. Okay, so instead of you watching the same boring stuff, I got this awesome confetti creamer for whenever it's done, excuse me. But we're not gonna edit this out, we're just gonna keep it going. Any second. So it has these waves of like heat, I guess. You can hear it. Oh, alas. Sweet golden nectar. So it's a nice pour. It smells amazing. Oh, love it. So pretty much, you just let it do its thing, and you're good to go with a nice warm cup. that being said, I don't want to keep you guys anymore. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Thank you, and to the next time.